Approximately 78 students and teachers, including the principal of Whawona Primary School, arrived on the island on Friday on a mission to introduce the Niue Niue class to their origins. According to the principal of the school, Mrs. Lois Kirkbride, the initiative is a great way for students to visit the place the language they wish to master come from, but also to realize the importance of connecting to their origins.
We were able to get a little bit of funding from the Ministry of Education for the Achievement Through Pacifica Languages scheme to run an after-school Niuean language class. We have many Niuean teachers and teacher aides on Whawona staff, and they were keen to help with a program to keep the Niue language alive. And we were very lucky to actually win a contract to do that.
Now, how important is it for these students to get back to their roots? I know with Wangahau Niue, speaking Niuean in New Zealand, it must be difficult.
Well, it is, because English is the language, and that's the language of learning for most. So it is extremely important that it is kept alive through the people who are in Auckland, and to come here where the heart of the language is and the heart of the people are. This is so important, and they are just getting a lot from it. And hopefully some of them will now come back more and more.
Mrs. Kirkbride also said reports that some Pacific languages is dying out is a fact, only because of the environment.
The people who come to New Zealand and Australia and other parts of the world, they take on the language of that country. The older people are dying out who have the language, and so it is up to the young people now to learn and to keep it alive. And this is what we would like to inspire through what we're doing at Whawona School.
Today, the Whawona team took part in other traditional Niuean culture, making umu. We wish them all the best enjoyment while back home on the rock.